Hi, I'm Matt Bartholomew with Nordhaus Real Estate Group, and I'm standing in front of a fantastic investment or owner-operator opportunity. Let's go take a look. This property has multiple streams of income: convenience store, gas pumps, an attached restaurant, a billboard, and a car wash. And it also happens to have one of the largest signs in the area, which can be seen from Interstate 90. Thanks for joining us on tour today. I'm Matt Bartholomew with Nordhaus Real Estate Group, and we'll see you next time.